Lightning strikes on wind turbines is a serious issue to be considered in the field of renewable energy. Lightning is the result of electrical discharge from the clouds. It repels the electrons to the nearby objects. Lightning current reaches the ground through the fastest and shortest way possible. Since the wind turbines are huge in structure, they tend to be a lightning magnet. At the time of lightning strike, there will be a rapid rise in temperature. Sudden peaks in the pressure cause explosive reactions and structural damages. The effect of lightning on wind turbines leads to the damage and production failure. Take a glance at the picture. The pie chart shows the percentage of overall damage caused in the parts of the windmill. It is known that the maximum damage is on the blades. To overcome, this prototype works with the lightning dodge which will be installed in the blades. Here comes the proof of concept. The working rule is proven by using Tesla coil, since it is unsustainable to showcase the streak of lightning. We head on to the first step in amplifying the electrical power with the help of a transistor, and it is coupled with an electrical resonant transformer, which comprises the primary and the secondary coil. Voltage regulator is used to maintain the constant voltage. Magnetic flux is generated in the secondary coil, which induces the magnetic flux in the primary coil. So, the electrical field is produced to a particular range, which boosts up the electrons inside the compact fluorescent lamp. Seeing that the cloud consists of both positive and negative charges in it. If the negative charges are accumulated at the bottom of the cloud, positive charges are induced on the Earth's surface. In the existing system, lightning arresters are used for receiving large number of electrons and grounding them via conductor cables. This is a working model to show the functioning of the arrestor. Since a single point is drawn into contact with the electric discharge, the wire conducts the charge. Whereas when the dodger with multiple tiny points is put in place, it dissipates the charges that is being produced during the strike. The main advantage of this idea is the process of dissipating makes the wind turbine invisible to lightning. Thank you.